Oh, tell me what's going on. What's going on now?
It seems that, there's the cat trying to mate with the mighty Doggit.
Mighty Doggit?
He's a very horny cat with a big dick.
It's Wednesday 13.
Wednesday. I look like Chuck Tar, everything though. Very dangerous. Very dangerous.
I think Mighty Doggit does it like
How's
too.
your hindquarters, Doggit?
Doggit. Come on, Doggit. I think the Doggit's friendly now.
Got some. Of course it's friendly. How's the big dick?
Oh, stop it. Richard's doing just fine, thank you. I don't know. We'll have to ask. I'll have to ask somebody how the big dick is doing. Don't get me started. I don't know, but maybe he's enjoying his new freaking record collection.
Mom, I got the Doggit.